Hi kids, so today we're gonna work on stop motion. So usually what we'll use is to try to find a stop motion making app. So I have Stop Motion Studio, and this is how Motion Studio works. So this is the front screen. It'll look like this, and your product would be something. It'll come out in forms, so it's like a movie maker, and it's how stop motion works is that you have to keep taking photos of everything to make up and animate your video. So what I do here, I have a mini demonstration here. So stop motion works is that you have to keep taking photos. So here we have this. We are working on the activity on Magellan and Elcano's voyage around the world, right? So yeah, so here I have Magellan, my character Magellan. So I've already prepared him. So, and my props. So this is Elcano, and this is their ship. So alright, first off, before you get into any stop motion activity, you have to plan what to do. So you have to have your characters. So here we have Elcano and Magellan, and you have to also have your props. So I have my ship, I have my speech bubble, of which I will be always filling things in, and I can have other things like I'll be drawing the background and will animate as they go. So this is just one example. So let's see how we do it. So we're pressing the red button for one card. So we have one photo, and I'll put this speech bubble here, and we have another photo. And I'll write things down. So I'll start with letter by letter to animate. So I'll put an H, and then an I, hi, and I'll write down, this is our story. This T H I S. Then is